If you were researching a FireBoard Pulse, our wireless probe, I just wanted to call special attention out. For those of you who already have a FireBoard 2, make sure that you buy the antenna that fits right into the auxiliary port. One thing that I noticed is if you're buying the Pulse, and we've seen some customers that haven't found the antenna, maybe they don't realize that we sell the antenna, maybe they don't realize it goes with the Pulse, so you're missing out on that low frequency. So low frequency is our S1G technology that gets you that extra range. So it's at 900 megahertz, which actually goes through all those walls and those thick brick, walls and all that stuff. So if you can plug in the antenna, again, very simple. This is made to extend the FireBoard 2's radio. So actually it's adding another transmitter with this antenna. So it actually gets that 900 megahertz signal. So you can use the Pulse. So I just wanted to call that out. The Pulse does work Bluetooth, but it's a dual band probe. So you actually can have both. It actually gives you Bluetooth and that low frequency. So we're gonna have links in the video. Check out those links. We have links to the antenna. We actually have a bundle with all three of these together, so super easy. You can actually add on multiple pulses using an antenna. I think it's up to 32 pulses if you want to. So check that out below. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.